everybody and welcome to another video from Mida Travel.
We're about to show you 6 items that we think are essential and you should not leave home without if you are going on any cruise, beach holiday or city break.
You'll also find at the end of the video we should put up some screenshots there with prices that we bought them for when we bought them.
And where they are available to buy.
So, the one thing we do not want on holiday is creased clothes. Now, whether you're going to a land-based holiday or a sea-based holiday will depend on whether you get an iron in your room. For land-based holidays in hotels, you tend to get an iron in your room, but for a cruise ship, it is considered a fire risk. So, we found this. This is called Pure Apparel. This is a crease release spray. You're meant to spray it onto your clothes, hang them up, and the creases should drop out. Now, this was just one that we found on Amazon for about £4.50. You can get ones by Lenore, which are about £2.50 up to about £3.50, depending on where you go. The reason why they're so good is they're meant to drop the creases out, but also leave your clothes smelling beautifully fresh.
Our next item are these amazing beach towel pegs. We are inexperienced cruisers and walking around the top deck on our latest cruise, we were amazed to see so many people that were already aware of the benefits of these. They are larger pegs, crucial for holding that beach towel in place on your sun lounger. You certainly don't want to be losing your towel overboard. We purchased these on Amazon. They were £3.99. They come in all different colours, and you can also buy some very special ones that look like dolphins, flamingos, but we chose these. Crucial, don't go on a cruise without them.
Okay, so when you go on holiday and you fancy taking a day trip, you should always have a backpack to hand. Whether you want to put in there food, sandals, your towel, or flip-flops or change of whatever, you can use a bag to take with you. However, you don't really want to take with you a massive backpack. So what we found, we went and looked online, and the best ones we actually found were from Decathlon. Both of these bags come from Decathlon. They are very light. They fold to nothing, as you can see. The prices should be put up on screen at the end of this. However, this one here will hold a little bit more, as you can see, than the second one that we bought. This is the one we used on our last cruise. This is a shoulder bag, and as you can see with the shoulder bag, just pops over. It's very lightweight. It holds everything I needed. So with this, I went to Duns River Falls. In this bag, I had my microfiber towel. I had a change of socks, a change of pants, believe it or not. I had a water bottle. I had some sandwiches. And I had my cards and my wallet in the side. So everything I needed to take with me to Duns River Falls. Get yourselves a little bag. Doesn't have to be heavy, lightweight. Like I said, these bags, they will fold up to nothing. So they're not going to take any room in your luggage. Guys, they are a must if you want to do day trips.
We absolutely love these thermal flasks. We found that on our recent cruise, we were on premium package and the water that was delivered to our cabin was bottled and it was warm. So by having these, we were able to go to the ice station on our deck and fill them with ice cold water. They keep water cold for about 24 hours and they keep hot drinks hot for about 12 hours. You cannot get drinks anywhere on the ship with Morella before 10 a.m. And often if you're leaving for a trip off the ship that day, then you will not be able to get a drink to take with you. So these we were able to fill with ice cold water and take those on our day trip wherever we were going. These were from Primark. Dave likes the plain one and that one cost £4. I like a bit of colour, so I paid an extra 50p and got this for £4.50. Again, really useful to have anywhere you go for keeping your cold drinks ice cold and your hot drinks hot.
Next up, we have the Vac-Pack Go. This is a product brought out by JML. I saw it advertised somewhere, so I thought I'd give it a try. Best product I've ever bought. I believe I got it from Amazon at the time for just over 20 quid, but you can get these in Asda now for about £19.97, something like that. It comes inside with 4 bags, 2 large, 2 small, or sorry, 2 medium, 2 small, should I say. And I pulled that face because the mediums are absolutely massive. I'll show you in a second. the reason why these are good is because this is what I bought it for. This little vacuum pump. Okay, so this is travel handy. I can pop this in my bag, and at the same time, it goes on to the travel bags. So that just unscrews, that goes on, and it sucks all the air out of it. By using these bags, you can use them in backpacks. So we would go away on city breaks and we'd probably get about 7 days worth of clothing in our backpacks, and we take those on Ryanair or whatever. So these are worth their weight in gold. So if you want to take as much as you possibly can, vac bags, these little pumps that come with it, and these bags will save you a lot of space in your luggage. However, it doesn't come with an adapter, so you must have a spare adapter with you. It'll come with the USB cable, okay, but it doesn't come with the adapter, so make sure you've got a spare adapter to take with you. And these guys, trust me, are gold.
I absolutely love this microfiber beach towel. We purchased this one from Decathlon. It was £13.99. They come in different sizes. This one is an extra large. The joy of a microfiber towel is obviously they weigh a lot lighter than a normal towel, and also they wrap up quite small, so you're benefiting from that as well. I purchased the extra large. Obviously I'm quite a big chap, but the extra large was brilliant size. This one wraps all the way around me. I found the real big benefits were that it dries you really easily, absorbs the water really well, but on top of that, after you finish drying yourself, it literally dries itself in seconds. So definitely a big bonus to take one of these with you.
Okay everybody, thank you for watching. The links for the items are in the description below.
If you have found our video useful, then please hit the like button, and if you've not already subscribed, please subscribe.